Today we will run offset, trim and erase commands. So let's come to the new drawing, fresh drawing area. This is the new drawing for using offset command. We have to create a line, just randomly one vertical line and one horizontal line. For creating a line, just we press the PL enter, then asking a specified point anywhere. We click on first and second point. So see, we need here one point is to be noticed that we need a straight up, down, right and left. For this we have to use the ortho mode on. Right, currently it is ortho mode off. So the by clicking in is orthogonal ortho mode on. So it's going up, down, right and left. So okay, let's first point is create. We already selected the second point. Okay, then pressing the escape button. Escape button is upper left corner in keyboard, the top upper left side corner. So pressing escape is already terminated or completed the command, the command. Again the same way, PL, this is the vertical line created. Now going to create a horizontal line. Okay, first point here and second point here randomly. Okay, again it's no need more. So pressing the escape button. Okay, that's the command completed. Now the one is the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line created. Okay, let's start the offset command. We are pressing OFFSET, offset for offset command, pressing enter. Once we press the enter, it's asking specify the distance. At what distance we need. Actually the offset is a kind of copy, the same object copy at the certain distance. Through means certain whatever we distance specify. Through means anywhere we click up to that point, it will offset the object. For example, we need a certain point object, means the one, we press enter. So it will create at the distance of 1. So again, once the specify 1 is asking select object to offset. Now we need to select object to offset. We just click and it's offset at the interval of 1. Again clicking and again. Once we click again, so it's again created. So again we clicking here and again. So the 3 time created. Once more is 4 time created. Again we are clicking here and this side is already. So 1 2 3 4 5 additional means offset already completed. It's the same way the horizontal one we clicking here again selecting object and clicking side to offset side. Again first clicking. Once we clicking, then again asking side. We need to this side. Okay, so this side. So 1 2 3 created. Again clicking this side, again clicking this. Now so 1 2 3 the 1 2 3 4 and again 5 object is created. Offset 1 2 3 4 5. Let's press the escape. We no need more. The escape button is the top of the upper left corner in the keyboard for termination the command or completion the command. So now we created is a kind of grid at the distance of interval of 1 1 1 horizontally and the 1 1 horizontally 1 by 1 horizontally and the 1 1 1 vertically. This is the vertically. So now we need to trim. So for trim command, we press CTRIM, trim, enter. Either we can use one by one trim, like 1, 2, or we can create a click anywhere and select like this way, the whole will trim. The same way 1, 2 we trim, or any 3, or just click trim, select all. The same way 1, 2, do anything, or just click the trim like this way. The same way starting to end is trim. Okay, so now the same way is trim command is still running on. So for example, we click here and we click here, we click here and we click here. So now the we click here and we click here. So now the we click here and we click here. So see the some stair design already created. Now we no need anymore this trim command. We pressing the same way as terminating the command trim command, escape, by pressing escape button, the upper top left. So now we need to erase these object. We need to erase, pressing E for erase, enter. Just pressing one by one object erase, or like selecting all. But see, be careful, if we selecting like this way, these are the object also erasing. So only this much part we create and we select, and this much. So now pressing enter. Either we erase one by one or together all. So see, now alhamdulillah, this is the kind of a stairs has created. Once you scroll the roller of the mouse, you can move, zoom in and zoom out. So let's practice. As much as you will practice, you will be expert.